brothers who have made a time to be here today. In the morning, we got a very, very shocking, not so shocking because Pinoch has been suffering for the last 8 months because I've been visiting him since January, since the start of the chemo radiation. At that time, he was very positive. Till till May, he was very positive. He's very strong. But after May, when they start putting the pipes and all those things, then his health deteriorate very fast. I have seen him suffering. It's a suffering by seconds. It's not even by minutes. So I think he has gone to a better place. So thank you all of you, especially for Hari. He came all the way from Chennai to see Badeng. Badeng also is not in a good health. But the good thing is that Hari could see Pinoch also alive in his last day. So I told Hari, might be you must have made him happy for 10 minutes or might be 1 hour or so after you left. Because out of nowhere you went there, you must have made his last day on earth for Pinoch, you must have made him and he's happy. You have brought some happiness, even though you could not. So that is a good thing. And so it's a very, very sad. You know Pinoch, everybody knows Pinoch. I don't have to describe what type of person he is. He never have any word. I think he knows only one word, that is Baba. He knows no other word. So it's I think great to have that he has always smiles. Nobody have anything against him. I don't think anybody have anything against Pinoch actually. Another thing is that even though he's outstation, he's from Guwahati, I think he attended clubs even more than even the Riram who are in Shillong or are in Meghalaya only. He attended more. He never missed any major club even except some small thing he cannot attend. But any big major event organized by Riram official, he never miss. So it's a great loss to Riram also. So this is my few words. So I think I will do like this. We will allow some member to speak, and then we'll have 1 minute of silence. So that's all from me. So I think it's a great loss, but the only thing is that he has gone to a better place. That's the only comfort that we have. Otherwise, he's suffering. So I will allow 2-3 members, anybody who wish to speak.
But for those of you who don't know Pinoch, who don't know how he got into the club and why we accepted him, why we had accepted him. So actually, what Badiman has rightly said, nobody has any grudge or any complaint against Pinoch. There are a lot of things that most of you might not be aware of about Pinoch. Okay. Let's start off with how Pinoch became a member of the club. He went for a ride to Tawang in the month of February of 2015. And there he met Coke. So Coke, after coming back, he said that there's my friend from Guwahati who wants to join the club. So we normally never accept people from outside. If you look at our club, it's not that we have a rule, but we normally don't accept people from other states because we feel that there might be a conflict with the club from that state and all those things. However, Baba insisted that we accept Pinoch. We said okay. Then we went to Nepal. It was one of the best rides of most of us. In 2015, April, we went to Nepal. And we saw Pinoch, we met Pinoch, and then we all got very close to Pinoch because he was very jolly. And yes, he was also very much a Malay. There are some Malay episodes which I will share now with you in live. After he came back from there, and then we gladly accepted him as a member of the club, and that was how he became a member of Riram. And when he became a member of Riram, he used to always come to Shillong, even for meetings. So he will come here for a meeting in the evening at 7 o'clock, and then he will go back. I don't remember an incident where Pinoch stayed back in Shillong, but he said, no, I came for a meeting, it's okay, fine, I'll go back. There was one funny incident when Baba Po said, I'll go and drop him.
He'll drop up to no more.
said I will go drop up to Nongpor. Then he went up to Nongpor. Then
Baba decided to drop back Pinoj to go with me.
Then he said I'll go to Guwahati. Then we reached Khanapara. And when we reached Khanapara, he was sitting there. And then Pinoj said, okay, I'll drop you back to Nongpor. He drop back Baba to Nongpor. And then we reached Nongpor. Baba said, okay, how will you go back alone? Then he went to drop back. Then about 5 o'clock in the morning. There was one very funny incident when we went to RM Nagpur. So we went to visit somebody. So Pinoj, one thing about Pinoj is that, when you see, let's go, then he starts, okay bro. So we were standing in one line just outside Allahabad. Just standing in one line, waiting to go to somewhere, to meet somebody. Then Pinoj had the same helmet as mine. I put my helmet on my bike, and Pinoj was already wearing his helmet. Then I said, okay, come on, let's go. Then Pinoj just took my helmet and he started putting
Over his helmet.
And I said, what are you doing? No, I'm wearing my helmet. It's not going in, he was pushing. I said, you already wear a helmet. Oh, sorry bro. So, and then there was one funny incident when we went to NERM 2017 to Pasighat. Pinoj, Baba and Masaban, they were ahead and they every half an hour they would call me. I think I was with Joy. One bike, Baktoon's bike broke down. So I was just sitting the whole day. Badiman was also there. Then Badiman moved ahead and me and Joy and Toon were there. And we were just sitting, whole day we were just sitting. Baba and Toon kept calling. Okay, is this the road? I said, yes, this is the road. Then after some time, Pinoj will call. Bro, we are here. Is this the road? I said, there's only one road. You can't even take another route. You will not get lost. There's only one road. I said, okay. They read the map in reverse. Instead of going another 30 kilometers, they went 60 kilometers. And after 60 kilometers, Pinoj went to the board and said, I think it is there. They skipped by 60 kilometers. And then at night, they reached Junai, late at night, and they didn't have any place to stay. They were just standing outside the road, moving here and there, and they met someone. Then that person arranged for a place. Late at night, around 12 o'clock, me, Badiman, I remember Joe from Son of the Hills, so some of the guys were just sitting in the hotel when Baba and Pinoj called me. He said, bro, we are staying in Junai. I said, good. He said, talk to Baba. I spoke to Baba. Baba was saying, I'm staying in an engineer's quarter. I'm sleeping here. This guy was sleeping on the floor. We got good beds, everything. I don't know how they know me, but I think they know me from somewhere. I think they know me because of Riran. Then food also has come here and everything. I said, okay, good. We went on. After 2 days, I met Bhaskar Gogoi. Bhaskar Gogoi told me, तुम्हारा लड़का लोग घूमता रहता है, he didn't even get a place to stay. So late at night, Pinoj was walking. Then he looked, I was staying in Junai. I was just roaming around at night, coming out from my guest house. Then someone came to me and speak to me in Assamese. Said, can you help me find a place to stay? Bhaskar looked, he saw the Riram patch over here. Somebody speaking in Assamese said, are you Pinoj? And Pinoj said, yes bro, how do you know me? Then Pinoj, in fact, Bhaskar Roy arranged for a place to stay for Pinoj. Not in an engineer's quarter, in fact in one Chowkidar's quarter, but just exaggerate the whole thing. Then, I think lots of stories might come from other guys. I'll just come to his success a little bit. So, it was first taken in 2017. In 2017, he called me. He said, I have some very bad news. I said, what happened? I have tongue cancer. Then I was, okay, tongue cancer. Then he said that it is still in the early stages. And I said, okay, it's very good. Then he said that he'll have to go to Bombay. So he went to Bombay to Tata Memorial. He went there, did the surgery. After coming back, he was perfectly fine, and then he was cancer free for a few years. In 2011, 2021, just before HRM, he called me again. He said, bro, I think they said that maybe some cancer might be back. So they're giving something called chemotherapy pills. I'm not so sure if there's something like that or I don't know. He said, but I want to write. I want to go to HRM. So he went with us to HRM in 2011. Then, 2021. Then 22 we went to RM. 23 he was working very hard. I saw him at night checking all the syntax, everything at night. I saw him very hard. Then we went to NERM 2023. 2 weeks after coming back from NERM, he called me. He said, "Bro, something is not right." I said, "What happened?" "My tongue was bleeding. My tongue was bleeding, and I went for a checkup, and the guy said, the cancer is back." And he said that the tumor is located in a place where it's very difficult to operate. So the doctor have totally ruled out that surgery is totally out of the question. He will have to do multiple doses of chemotherapy. Pinuj was still very positive. He registered for RM Kanyakumari and he even planned to write down David Baba. But then immediately he had to go for chemotherapy because he can't delay any further. And once he went to, he completed 6 cycles of chemotherapy. And I think the chemotherapy has really done a lot of damage to his immune system. And his last message that he sent to me, earlier he was communicating to quite a lot of us, email and me, so we were just talking about this. He was telling me again and again that he wanted to come to Shillong. So we said that yes, we've already planned that out for you. On the 8th of July, he sent me one message saying, "Bro, I want to give up. I don't think I can take it anymore." After that, I don't think he was in any position to talk again, to message on the phone again. So anyway, we lost a very good, devoted member of the club. He will always be remembered. We will always cherish the moments that we had shared with him. So thank you so much. We look forward to hearing more about Pinuj from you. Please share your experience that we had in the past.
It's quite a heavy moment for the Molloy squad, I would say. It's a cult that formed 10 years ago in the Poker Run Ride, the Molloy squad. So much fun here. Though many of us suffered having the Molloys around, like each and every time, even finding the right key to the right bike is a big task sometimes, when every key has a different key chain, even then the key looks the same. That's how Pinuj is. But of late, there are quite some things I have learned from Pinuj, from his suffering and everything. I cannot figure out, visualize a face of Pinuj sad. Though he was going through a lot, what we cannot express in words. The moment when anybody say Pinuj Boro, the immediate face that comes to our recall is this, that go happy, humble, smiling face, that kindness, that big-heartedness. So I think God has, given him more heart that compromised his brain. On a lighter note. So a lot of good things to learn from his. He never had anything intentionist on a ride. Like many of us ride to achieve something. Many of us ride on a fixed destination. Many of us ride with our own dream list or bucket list, we would call. Like, I want to ride to Ladakh, I want to ride to Tawang, I want to ride to, whatever fancy spots. But Pinuj is such a true, pure rider. He just had the pure spirit of motorcycling. And that brotherhood with Reeram and anybody else who rode with him, it was just pure. He never had any intention or motive. It was just to ride with a brotherhood. It was nothing to, achieve. So I think it's a good thing that we can learn from his life. That's whatever we do, we can be pure and proud about it. It's nothing about, we are not doing anything fancy. So whatever we did, he also did, but with a pure heart. So it's not about where you go, it's about how we come back. Thank you guys.
टेस्ट प्ले संभाला और आज काफ़ी दुखद बड़ा न्यूज़ है जो कि हमारा एक प्रिय मेंबर है पिनुज बोरो, उसके बारे में, और उनका निधन कल हुआ था और हमें काफ़ी लेट खबर मिला उनके बारे में, तो इसलिए हम कल जा नहीं पाए क्योंकि कल उनका अंतिम संस्कार कल था, तो इसलिए हम कल जा नहीं पाए। और और आज हम कुछ मेंबर कल गए थे तो उनके फैमिली के साथ मिलने, तो इसलिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मेंबर्स आज हम उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स से मिलने के लिए जा रहे हैं। तो अच्छा अभी भी है इधर सामने में, और उनका घर गुवाहाटी पे है, आसाम पे। 2015 से हमारे क्लब में है और वो काफ़ी एक्टिव मेंबर है। जब भी कुछ इवेंट ऐसा होने से वो गुवाहाटी से आते हैं, हमारे क्लब का इवेंट में हो गया और कुछ भी काम ऐसा होने से वो आते हैं, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपना एक्टिविटी वो दिखाते हैं क्लब के लिए। तो और वो काफ़ी लंबे समय से बीमारी से जूझ रहा था और कल ही उनका निधन हुआ है। और इसीलिए आज हम सब फैमिली, सब होल रिराम फैमिली आज उनके फैमिली मेम्बर से मिलने के लिए जा रहे हैं। तो अभी कहाँ गाने आज
रोज़ गुजर गया है उसका
दिनेश बोरो को
सबको अपने बस वहीं जा रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
Yes, been trying. हम निकलने के लिए तैयार हो गए हैं। हाय बैन, सब जाने के लिए रेडी हैं अभी, और बारिश भी कंटिन्यू आ रहा है बारिश। राइड शुरू हो गया अभी यहाँ से गुवाहाटी तक, फिनिश के घर तक, और सिटी लीड कर रहे हैं और पूरा मेंबर है इधर, सब जा रहे हैं। सब मेंबर जा रहे हैं अभी, और आज काफ़ी अच्छा है क्योंकि ज़्यादातर मेंबर आए हुए हैं। Morning, Captain. अभी हम यहाँ खाना खाने के लिए थोड़ी देर के लिए रुकेंगे और उसके बाद आगे चलते हैं। तो अभी नोंगपो में खाना खाने के लिए रुके हुए लोकल डिश अभी का ये इंसान खाना टमाटो अच्छा है, साफ है। अभी फिनिश के घर में पहुंच गए हैं। सब मेंबर्स सब बाहर में बाइक रखा हुआ है, ये उनका घर है फिनिश का।
We will start. So I'm Mr. Daniel Unger. I'm the president of Royal Enfield Association of Meghalaya, Iran. Even though Pinoj is Assam, we are also Meghalaya actually right now. So we are very actually. It's not so much shock that he passed away because we have seen him suffering. Okay, but again, coming to the part of. Friendship, we will miss him because we have worked with Pinoj since 2015 to Nepal, to Nagpur, to I don't know, many. He's a very good, always quiet, smile, and I think in shortly you told and then that is his, and then his best friend is Baba Po. Baba Po, where is Baba Po? Baba. He is the best friend of Pinoj. Whenever we go for a ride, Pinoj will not eat until Baba eat. Morning, Pinoj had breakfast. I'm waiting for Baba. मैं पहली मैं हम take care की So I don't want to make so long because I know very well we are all still grieving, we are still missing, and you want to be together in family, so we'll not stay so long. So with these few words, we want to come here and show to you that Pinoj is not alone. He's always in our mind. He's always in our heart.
তেওঁ আমাৰ ক্লাবৰ প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট হয় আৰু তেওঁৰ নাম দামিয়ান হয় আৰু পিনুজ দা বহুত আগৰ পৰাই 2015 চনৰ পৰা একেলগে ৰাইড কৰিছে, এইটো ক্লাবত জইন কৰিছে আৰু মেম্বাৰ আছিলে আৰু পিনুজ দাৰ লগত বহুত তেওঁলোকে বহুত ইণ্ডিয়াৰ অসমৰ বাহিৰত আৰু বহুত বেলেগ বেলেগ জাগাতো গৈছে, নাগপুৰ গৈছে, গোৱাত গৈছে আৰু বহুত আৰু আমাৰ ক্লাবৰ লগত সদায় থাকে আৰু এই তেওঁ দাদাজন তেওঁৰ বেষ্ট ফ্ৰেণ্ড হয়, আটাইতকৈ ভাল বন্ধু, ভাল লগৰীয়া আৰু মানে পিনুজ দা এনেকুৱা আছিলে যে মানে তেওঁ যদি ভাত নাখায় পিনুজ দাও মানে ভাত নাখায়, সেনেকুৱা বহুত মানে তাহাঁতৰ ভাল বণ্ডিং আছিলে আৰু আমি আজি ইয়াত আহিছোঁ সকলোৱে একেলগে। আপোনালোক এইটোৱে ক'ব খুজিছোঁ যে আপোনালোকে যদি কেতিয়াবা কিবা সহায় লাগে, কিবা হেল্প লাগে, এইটো ক'ব খুজিছোঁ যে এইটো নাভাবিব আপোনালোকে অকলে আছে। পিনুজ দা আমাৰ চবৰে কিছুমানৰ দাদা, কিছুমানৰ ভাইটি হয়, চবে আমি মৰম কৰোঁ পিনুজ দাক আৰু সেইটো কাৰণে আজি সকলোৱে আমি ইয়াতে গোট খাইছোঁ যাতে আপোনালোকৰ যি এইটো সময় বহুত দুখিত সময় হয় আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে আৰু লগতে আমাৰ কাৰণেও, যিহেতু আমি বহুত আগৰ পৰাই তেওঁক চিনি পাওঁ, বহুত আগৰ পৰাই তেওঁক ময়ো ক'ব খুজিছোঁ মোৰ ফালৰ পৰা যে মোৰ পিনুজ দাক প্ৰথমবাৰ এইটো ক্লাবৰ পৰা মই পিনুজ দাৰ লগতে বাইক চলাইছিলোঁ, ফাৰ্ষ্ট টাইম গৈছিলোঁ। তো সেইটো কাৰণে আমি ক'ব খুজিছোঁ আমি ইয়াত আহিছোঁ আজি আৰু আপোনালোকক মানে আপোনালোক এইটো ক'ব খুজিছোঁ যে আপোনালোকে কেতিয়াও নাভাবিব অকলে আছে আপোনালোকে, কাৰণ আমি চবে এটা ফেমিলি হয়, উই আৰ ওৱান ফেমিলি। ইভেন পিনুজ দাও আমাৰ ফেমিলি হয়, হি ইজ আৱাৰ ফেমিলি। সেইকাৰণে কিবা যদি আপোনালোক হেল্প লাগে তেতিয়াহ'লে আপোনালোকে নিশ্চিন্ত মনে আমাক সহায় খুজিব, আমি সদায় একেলগে থাকিম আৰু সদায় আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে আমি আছোঁ আৰু আজিও আছিলোঁ আগতে আৰু সদায় থাকিম, সেইটোৱে আমি ক'ব খুজিছিলোঁ। থেংক ইউ।
Thank you all. You have come here in the days of sorrows. We are also in grief. At this moment, we cannot express our expression also by words. But you have come here and encouraged us, our family, grief family. So for that, I thank you all, and I hope you all will be good, sound health, and I wish you all success in this life, in the future life also. Thank you.
So we would like to say a prayer. Okay.
ओके, मैं हिंदी से प्रार्थना करता हूँ। बहुत दुखी की बात है कि हम लोग का एक मित्र, इस घर का एक बेटा और हमारा जो प्यारा मित्र पिनुज इस दुनिया को छोड़ के चल गए और हमें भी छोड़ के चला, और वो याद छोड़ के गया कि हम कभी जिंदगी में नहीं भूलेंगे। हम भी मरते दम तक पिनुज को याद करेंगे और मैं ऊपर वाला से दुआ करता हूँ कि मेरा परमेश्वर जो है पिनुज की आत्मा को शांति दे और उनके बच्चे, फैमिली, माँ, पिताजी जो भी हो परमेश्वर उनके साथ दे, उनके एक सामर्थ्य दे, ताकि परमेश्वर उनको आपको परमेश्वर आप लोग को वो दिल दे कि आप लोग ये ना सोचे कि वो इसी तरह है, वो है आपके सामने में और आपके साथ है, और एक दिन आप उनसे भी मिलेंगे। क्योंकि हम इस संसार में आए हैं, हम जीने के लिए आए हैं, लेकिन हमको मरना भी है। लेकिन हम दुख है इतना कि पिनोज अभी नहीं है मेरे बीच में, लेकिन हम दुआ करते हैं कि परमेश्वर जो है पिनोज की आत्मा को शांति दे। विनती करता हूँ पिता परमेश्वर आपसे, परमेश्वर ये दिन जो है परमेश्वर बहुत दुख का दिन है, जो कि हमारे मित्र और इस घर के बेटा परमेश्वर जो आपके साथ है परमेश्वर। पिता परमेश्वर मैं प्रार्थना करता हूँ उसकी आत्मा को शांति दे, और इस घर को परमेश्वर आप सामर्थ और शक्ति दे और अपनी ज्ञान दे परमेश्वर, और हमेशा परमेश्वर इनको आशीष दे परमेश्वर। इन्हें वो फील दे परमेश्वर की ये अलग ये अकेले है परमेश्वर, आप इनके साथ हैं, क्योंकि आपके वचन में लिखा है अगर कोई ना हो तो मैं तेरे साथ। मैं प्रार्थना करता हूँ परमेश्वर इस घर में तो आप साथ में रहे, और इनको इनके बच्चे को आप और आशीष दे और समझ सकते हैं। प्रार्थना करता हूँ, मांगता हूँ यीशु मसीह के नाम से, आमीन।
So you have got one condolence letter. So have you told them? I hope that this will remain with you. I will remember this. And then I asked Kiki, we have got some.
I couldn't.
Okay, So Punish is our friend. So all the members also we have contributed some financial help. So I asked Kiki to hand over again to his missus. This is mainly for his children in this time of crisis and grief, that it'll help a little bit for next few weeks.
Kiki.
We will not bother you so much anymore, because I know you want to be together, family. We don't want to disturb. So we will always remember Pinoj. He'll always be with us. Every year, every meeting we had, we'll always remember Pinoj. We had yesterday a meeting as well, which we have condolence and we speak about Pinoj. So I think with this thing, so thank you so much. Thank you.
There is a remember this one on Saturday.
17th August.
17 August. So they've invited us to come.
We call it Shraddha, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you know it. So you all are invited.
We'll coordinate so that we will not
Let us
make
know,
too
yeah.
big a preparation. I'll coordinate
let
with
me
you
know, yeah.
how many people will be
Yeah.
coming.
So thank you. We will
Thank you so much.
discuss. Thank you so much.
Thank you
so
all
much.
for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you.
See, Jasmine,
Thank you.
be in touch.
Bubble gun, man. Thank you.
Anything?
Which is gun? Which is gun?
प्लान बना के बताएंगे।
इनवाइट करा है सब एक सब
उदी गरिन मैले गरेँ मैले भेटेँ मैले उदी गरेँ तिमी जाऊ न एकदम आऊ न
তামোল দেখোন নাখাবি তামোল খুৱাই আছো
Go.
Lengkap lah babit
দেখা লাগি আছে
They are all his auntie.
Yeah.
Pinoj auntie.
Yeah.
Okay.
His auntie.
They are your auntie. Your auntie.
Yes, yes. She's a neighbor, but she's an aunt, and she's our aunt.
Now into Ifale bahut. See, they are my neighbors only. Even
Where?
Bhabiji is just
There in
10. Yeah, from
Boko?
Yeah, just 10 kilometers away from my house.
So all of you. I'll come Saturday. But if anything you need, it's not that Pinoj has gone. We will forget. No, we will not forget. Anytime, please call us if you need. Please, we will not disturb you anymore. Thank you.
Thank you so much. ये पिनोज का बाइक और एक ये हिमालयन ये पिनोज का है और ये भी कास्ट आयरन उनका ही है पिनोज का और इसी से वो नेपाल राइड गए हुए थे। तो अभी हम पिनोज के घर से निकल रहे हैं और हम जा रहे हैं सोनापुर। अभी कुछ जल्दी है तो इसलिए हम लोग सोनापुर जाके खाना वाना खा के उधर से आराम से निकलेंगे। हेलो हेलो सोनापुर What happened, Tinshine? You have tools?
Yeah, I have to. Inside first.
सीधा जाइए दुकान दिख जाएगा
कितना दूर पे है?
ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है सीधा जाते रहिए आपको दुकान दिख जाए दो तरफ भी है इस तरफ भी है इस तरफ भी है
हाँ it's better you will take care no Tinshine?
Yeah.
You got punctured now?
Yeah. Because after a long time I'm coming to the hot area, the there also become hot and leak. So now I'm finishing.
It happens only.
Yes.
बहुत ही गर्मी है गुवाहाटी पे और ये भाई साहब Tinshine का बाइक फिक्स कर रहा है पंक्चर। और 4 आदमी लगा हुआ है अभी। Tinshine? Done?
Yeah, then I'm happy now.
You're happy now?
Yeah, ready to go.
गुड गुड गुड। और ये दो भाई साहब हैं जिन्होंने हमें मदद किया यहाँ पर। ये यहीं के आसाम से गुवाहाटी से हैं और यहीं का क्लब का है ये दो भाई जिन्होंने हमें मदद किया यहाँ पर लेके आया पंक्चर बनाने के लिए। आपका नाम भाई?
मेरा मनदीप दास
मनदीप दास। और आपका?
कुणाल लेकर
कुणाल देखा। आपका क्लब का नाम क्या बताया आपने?
ऑफ-रोडर्स गुवाहाटी।
ऑफ-रोडर्स गुवाहाटी है ना। नाइस टू मीट यू गाइस। Thank you so much for helping us. You are going to Shillong?
Yeah, I'll go there directly.
Okay then.
Because Vaisha is there, no?
Okay.
My
Yeah.
wife having it now.
Okay.
Take care, man.
Yeah. Go slowly, आराम से. Mo.
See you.
Yeah, see you. Enjoy. तो सिंचन का बाइक बन चुका है, पीछे का टायर पंचर रिपेयर कर लिया है। तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं सोनापुर से घर। बाकी मेंबर्स सब सोनापुर पहुंच गए हैं। अगर आपको शिलोंग जाना है तो यहाँ से राइट, और हम जा रहे हैं स्ट्रेट सोनापुर की तरफ। अभी आ गए हैं ये रिसोर्ट पे खाना खाने के लिए। तो अभी हम यहाँ से निकल रहे हैं और समय हुआ अभी 6:40।